Why is the highlighted text used? In the context of the highlighted text, the passage mentions the passion for knowledge and two desires: a desire to understand life and the desire to make himself at home in the universe. And the passage mentions that one of them has an outward focus, whereas the other has an inward focus. The passage also mentions that the desire with outward focus is fulfilled by science and the desire with inward focus is fulfilled by literature. So that is the context of the highlighted text. Answer choice A, to counter two vague concepts about literature. In the context of the highlighted text, the passage is talking about two ideas, science and literature, rather than two concepts of literature. So this answer choice cannot be established. Let's eliminate it. Answer choice B, to offer an example of perennial spring in human nature. The passage has a reference to perennial spring in human nature, but the highlighted text is not an example of the perennial spring. The highlighted text is to suggest that the two types of desires which pertain to the passion of knowledge are fulfilled by science and literature. So this answer choice can be eliminated. Answer choice C, to indicate that different directions of focus lead to different knowledge areas. Now it is true that science and literature would lead to different knowledge areas, but to highlight this difference is not the purpose of the highlighted text. The purpose of the highlighted text is to suggest that there are two directions that lead to science and literature, and both of them pertain to the passion for knowledge of mankind. So this answer choice cannot be established. Let's eliminate it. Answer choice D, to suggest how science and literature are complementary. Yes, this is the very idea in the context of the highlighted text, because the highlighted text talks about outward focus, inward focus, and relates them to science and literature respectively. So this is a good answer choice. Let's keep it on hold. Answer choice E, to suggest that understanding life and understanding science require different approaches. It is true that science relates to an outward focus and literature relates to an inward focus. So both of them require two different approaches, but to highlight the difference is not the purpose of the highlighted text. The highlighted text suggests that the passion for knowledge comes in two forms and one requires outward focus and the other requires inward focus. So this answer choice can be eliminated. D is the correct answer.